A darkened sky, a seed takes flight beneath the new moon's quiet light. The winds of change begin to rise. Aquarian visions fill the skies. Dreams are planted soft and deep in the soil where hopes can sleep. The water bearer pours the stream, awakening hearts to a boundless dream. Feel the pulse of a world anew, infinite paths coming into view. This is the moment, the time to start, sowing the seeds of a visionary heart. Under the moon we plant our fate. Aquarian whispers illuminate. With every breath the future calls, breaking the limits, tearing the walls. The stars align, the cosmos sings, a tapestry of endless things. We weave the light, we cast the thread, dreams of tomorrow where courage is bred. Step into the flow, release the past. The age of vision is here at last. In the stillness the dream is clear. New beginnings are drawing near. The moonlight fades but the seeds remain, growing strong in the Aquarian rain. What we envision, what we dare, becomes the world we choose to share.